you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Glossybox for March. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so March Glossybox just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Glossybox, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. They do have their standard pink box this month, which I always tell you, no matter what color or what is on here, I always save these because they are constructed so well. You can always use them for anything because they're nice, strong boxes. So when we first open it up, that's what it looks like. You have your brochure with this gorgeous woman right on top. That'll go over the items inside, and it should give you the pricing. Yes, it does. It gives you the pricing per item as well, based on what size is in here, and I do appreciate that. So it says open me with this little sticker, and then here is their standard ribbon. I always save these ribbons too. We're not going to get into that, but I always save these ribbons because you never know when you need a ribbon. Let's open this so we can get a sneak peek. Jeez. Alrighty. So there's a sneak peek to inside this box. Ooh, that's why my box didn't close all the way. I'm like, it was a little teeter-tottering up there. I'm like, what's in there? Now I see. Let's go with that one first because, ooh, that is a big box, you guys. It says Farm X Super Greens Cooling Gel. Ooh, what is this for? Cooling gel to me just sounds like if you have your skin is irritated or too much sun exposure, it would feel amazing. But let's see. This right here is the full size product valued for $37. So this one product is definitely way over the cost of this box for sure. So this right here says formulated with super nutrients like broccoli sprouts, Brussels sprouts, moringa oil, and green tea. Hello, vitamins and antioxidants. This lightweight moisturizer is designed to keep skin looking softer, brighter, and healthier. Dewy skin is in. Again, $37. Product may vary, it says. This is the new range. It just says new range right on the little picture there. But it says product may vary. And the pro tip for this says use daily as the last step in your skincare routine. If using in the morning, follow with an SPF. Protect your skin, yes. This helps to protect the skin's moisture barrier. The hydrating formula works as a moisturizer or a mask, delivering nutrient-rich ingredients to help dehydrated skin look softer, brighter, and healthier. Apply to skincare after serums and skincare treatments. To use as a leave-on mask, apply a thick, even layer and let it absorb into the skin. Apply a thin layer to use as a moisturizer. And it does not say you need to wash off, thank goodness, because I definitely like the products that you don't need to have to worry about later. Do I need to wash this off in the morning? Is it one that I can leave on my face? I just don't want, the first thing when I wake up in the morning is I don't want to have to remember what I put on my face last. I just want to go on with my day. So I absolutely love the ones that you do not need to worry about a thing. And that is this one right here. Again, this big guy is valued for $37. Let's get it out and see. Ooh, it's like a glass bottle. And that's, I think so, because this is definitely heavy. It's a really nice container though. Really nice. And broccoli sprouts though, and Brussels sprouts. I'm actually really excited. That's what it looks like inside. So there's a little bit here. Let me just put it on the top of my hand just so I can kind of feel it. Ooh, that does feel really nice. So your very last step of your skincare, put it on a thin layer for regular moisture, or if you would like a thick mask, you know, like to get deep moisture, put a thicker layer on and go to sleep. That's it. Item number one. I'm already loving that. Okay, so next we have is Model Co. Highlighting Shimmer Whip in Champagne. What are you? So I'm gonna save this for one of you guys because this is a liquid highlighter. I barely use powder highlighters, so I would love for this to go to one of you guys, but this is what it looks like down inside. So it will be champagne, so it'll be like that color right there. A very, very pretty color for it, but again, I would rather pass it down to one of you guys. This is valued at $20, and there is a little sample of like what it would look like inside. For this one, the pro tip says wear high on the cheekbones for a subtle strobe effect, or apply under your foundation for a lit from within glow. Nice. This is a full-size product. This is valued for $20. Your secret weapon for highlighting and adding luster to your skin. This lightweight liquid illuminator glides onto skin effortlessly, leaving you looking radiant and healthy. Use your fingers to melt the product into your skin for easy application. So there's number 2. Number 3 we have, it says Mercy Handy hand creams, and this is in unicorn. So we have a hand cream. I absolutely love getting hand creams because it's so thick and it just feels so good on my hands. So I love a good hand cream. It says we recommend applying cream after washing your hands to prevent dryness. Variations of scents are sent at random. It looks like there's a number of different scents that they will be sending for this month. And this is a full-size product. You can find it at Ulta, and it's valued for $7. Boosting a miracle whipped texture, this lightweight cream from French brand Mercy Handy will leave your hands feeling softer and more hydrated, with sweet almond oil and shea butter to nourish and repair. I'm trying to get this little safety seal thing here off so we can see what scent it is. It says unicorn. Since I have the other thing on this hand, I'll put it on this hand, and it smells really good. I don't know what to say that smells like though. It smells kind of like a cross between a nice smelling baby, like a baby lotion, baby powderish, and like an almond kind of oil. That's what it kind of smells like. Let me see if it says anything. Unicorn, a delicious rainbow scent. So I've never smelled a rainbow, so I don't know how this smells like a rainbow. But you have a rainbow scented unicorn hand cream, I guess. It smells really good. It does smell good. I just have never smelled a rainbow before. Have you guys ever smelled a rainbow? I know I haven't. I have the like hand creams all over the place. So definitely a good win for me. And that is valued at $7. Again, that is a full-size product. Now we have, it says Just a Tease Mini Pigment Palette by Estate Cosmetics. This says 1 of 2 shades. So this one says Peach Punch is the color. I'm not quite sure what the other one is going to be, but there's 1 of 2 different variations that they would have sent. Again, this one is Peach Punch. This is valued at $14, and it's a full-size product. So this is the Peach Punch. It has like the 2 orangish kind of colors and then a lavender. I'm going to actually go ahead and save this and put this in a future giveaway pile. I find myself always grabbing palettes that I can actually complete a whole look with. And this one, there's not a dark enough color for me to go in on like my corners or anything like that. So if I were to use this, I would literally have to grab another palette to complete the look. So I would rather save this for one of you guys to enjoy because I just know I won't use it. These just get lost in my arsenal, and I honestly just don't grab the smaller palettes, to be honest. So this will go for one of you guys. Again, it is the full-size product valued for $14. Whether you're feeling calm and collected or a little mischievous, these super pigmented quad palettes will reflect your mood. There's wearable neutrals for every day and a pop of color to create a more playful look. So there is that. And I think that's, nope, it shows one more. Oh, yep, there's one more product in here, and it is a Luxy brush. This is a full-size 205 tapered blending brush. This is valued at $15. I might have one like this. If I do, I will set this aside for one of you guys to enjoy. I do have a lot of different Luxy brushes, so I will check. But it is super, super soft. I love Luxy brushes. And yeah, so this will either go for one of you guys or put in my arsenal, depending if I have it or not. The pro tip for this one says layering is a key. Building up your eyeshadow gradually will avoid any harsh lines and make your look last longer. So again, this is the Tapered blending brush. It's your go-to eyeshadow brush. Oh yeah, no. This is definitely not an eyeshadow brush. This is a large angled 504. I'm like thinking to myself, how in the hell are you going to use this to blend out your eyeshadow? Because holy moly, that thing is large and in charge. They must have sent brushes at random, or I don't know, because it says the 205 blending brush and I got this big old 504 large angled brush. Don't use this for eyeshadow. Well, you can use it however the hell you want to, but I wouldn't recommend this one for eyeshadow. This one to me looks like it'd be more for like contour or highlighting. But the Tapered blending brush is valued for $15, so I'm not quite sure how much this one is valued for, but it's probably right about there. And yeah, so you do have a full-size Luxy brush in here as well. So going over a quick recap of all of the products, you have a Luxy brush, which I guess could be a different variation. You have a variation of 2 different colors of a 4-quad eyeshadow palette. You have different variations on scents of a hand lotion. You have a shimmering highlighting, like a liquid highlighter. And this big old heavy thing right here that I cannot wait to start using. And I have never heard of broccoli and Brussels sprouts being in a face product. So I'm super, super intrigued. So that is everything for this particular box. All right, you guys. So that is everything for the March box for Glossybox. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this box? What do you think of the items inside? I'm actually really impressed with this month's box, to be honest. I really, really am impressed with this product alone. Full-size Luxy brush. You have an eyeshadow palette. There's a highlighter and a hand cream. So I think they really did good this month. Let me know what you think. If you want a little bit more information about Glossybox, I will let you know right about now. I do have them linked down below, which will take you right to their site. So for the pricing, if you just do month to month, it's $21 per box with free international shipping. And again, it does come in a nice constructed box. If you go all the way down to a 12-month plan, you don't pay for it all up front. You still are billed monthly, but you lock in the year rate, which will bring the box price down to $18 per box. If you do sign up with my link, you get your very first box for $16. You can cancel at any time. You again get free international shipping, and you always get 5 products with a guaranteed worth of over $70. So that is everything. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What do you think about Glossybox? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.